Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 19th, 2024, and we're looking to go up with QQQ here in a moment.
Order fill.
H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern, slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. So right now we're going to lock in 50% of our gains, and we're going to manage this and see how far this price goes since we got here with speed and violence. At this point, we're going to lock in that $1 move, and we're going to see how the price reacts to the 480.50, 480.75 area. If we don't explode with speed and violence, if we get up to the 480.75, we'll just punch out and take our profits.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.75 run, ladies and gentlemen. As always, remember, never forget, be a pro.